Hi guys, I welcome you all to the Nuclear Medicine Department of Ganesh Diagnostic and Imaging Center. So we have a fully functional nuclear medicine department in Ganesh Diagnostic. We have a fully functional hot lab, you can see over there, with a dedicated waiting area over there. You can see the patients wait out in the dedicated waiting area, the injected patient. So we have the injection area here, separate injection area for the preparation and the injection of the patient. We have a low dose iodine therapy area with the equipped toilet inside. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about regarding the Infinia Hawkeye 4 VC gamma camera. Here is the Infinia 4 Hawkeye gamma camera. It is a state-of-art, very advanced machine of gamma camera spec CT. So I'm going to talk about some key features of this machine. So it has a 4-slice CT, as you can see inside is a 4-slice CT equipped with a 3x8 sodium iodide crystal, gamma camera crystal for imaging of the patient. It has a 17 inches monitor to view the scan. It has a operating model to remotely control the position of the table. It has a very wide FOV to cover the larger images, and it has some accessorizing the crystals for low dose, high dose, according to the demand of the patient. Like if there is any high dose patient, iodine patient, we do this scan on this crystal. Medium energy we do on that crystal. So accordingly we change the crystal as per the need of the patient. It is a very robust and a heavy duty machine with very less number of breakdowns, and if ever breakdown happens, GE Healthcare provides the excellent support to us in resolving the breakdowns.